play after dark. You light up my day.
Got your own kind of style that sets you apart. Baby, that's why you captured my heart.
I know sometimes you feel like you don't fit in, and this world doesn't know what you have within.
When I look at you, I see something rare, a rose that can grow anywhere. And there's no one I know that can compare. What makes you different?
Makes you beautiful.
What's there inside you
Shines through to me.
In your eyes I see all the love I'll ever need.
You won't let me know, girl.
What makes you different?
Makes you beautiful to me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You got something so real. You touched me so deep.
Touched me so
See
deep.
material